One of the essential ingredients of an island life is taking yourself off duty.
Today I'm at an outdoor entertainment complex. I could still be at my desk, but I'm gonna get a cupcake, meet friends, and go out on the lake.
Going off duty is important because it pulls us away from the day-to-day pressure to perform. It restores our balance, refills our well-being, and it puts us where we really want to be, right here, right now.
So what would you do if you could take yourself off duty today? Put it at the top of your to-do list and go do it. Consider taking tonight off. Go off duty, get a little break, and return refreshed and re-energized. Are you still here? Go on, go.